Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to change numbering on Canva. I have a document over here. I have 3 sections over here. So firstly, how you can add number to this section. You will choose all the section over here, and you can see we have the list option over here. I will choose the list option. So you can see all of this section have bullet point in front of each section. So how you can modify this to number, you will choose the plus icon over here. This one is the AI option from Canva. So you can scroll all the way down and you can see this. We have checklist, we have bullet, and we have numbers. Or if you don't want to scroll, you can search right here. So you can see we have the option called number list. You will choose this option and the list become numbers. So if you want to add more section, you just click enter, and then the number 4 section will automatically create. You can type in anything you want. So what if you want to change this number back to bullet point or checklist? I will show you the faster way. You will choose all the section over here, and right here you can see we have the list. You just click to this option multi times. So I will click to this and it will automatically change to checklist, and I will click again, it will remove all the list number over here, and you can click again, it will come back to the bullet point. Click again, it will change to the page number. Again, you change to checklist. So what if you need this 3 section over here is checklist, and this 4 section over here is numbering or bullet point? You click enter over here and you delete this checklist. Now you will separate this 3 section with this 4 sections. So I will choose all of this 4 section, and I will choose again this one to the numbering list. Now you will have 3 checklists over here, and you also have the 4 section with numbering here. Okay, that's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.